What is the reading indicated on the weighing scale below? So before you can find out what's the reading, right, you have to find out what one interval is. So how do you find one interval? You see these are longer lines, right? Means this is the halfway mark. So what's the halfway mark of 20 and 25 is 22.5. How do I get this number? I simply took 20 plus 25, which is 45. Then I divide it by 2. Because it's the midway point. So that's 22.5. Then what about each individual interval, right? So I'll just highlight. So from 20 to 25, there are 5 intervals. 1, 2, 3. I'll decrease my pen size. 4, 5. There are 5 intervals. 5 intervals give you 22.5 minus 20, which is 2.5 kg. So you want to find out what one interval is. So one interval is just 2.5 divided by 5, which will give you 0.5 kg. So now you find out what's one interval already. You have to find out what you want, which is this point. One interval is 0.5 kg, so this one will be 20.5 kg. Here will be 21 kg. And what you want will be 21.5 kg. So answer will be option 3.